Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the products that promise to make a difference in your daily routine. If you've ever struggled with finding the perfect electric toothbrush, one that delivers both power and precision, stick around. Today, I'll be sharing my thoughts on the Rtauys M5 Sonic Electric Toothbrush for both adults and kids. With its sleek design, 120-day battery life, and promise of cleaner, brighter teeth, is this the brush that lives up to the hype? Stay tuned, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss an honest review. The Rtauys M5 Sonic Electric Toothbrush is a high-performance tool designed to elevate your oral care routine. Equipped with a powerful 41,000 high-frequency vibrations per minute, this toothbrush promises a deep clean that's 5 times more effective than traditional low-frequency brushes. It's built to tackle plaque and surface stains, leaving you with a healthier, whiter smile. This toothbrush comes with an impressive array of features, including a 2-minute timer and 30-second reminder, ensuring you're brushing the optimal amount of time for each section of your mouth. There are 5 brushing modes: cleaning, whitening, sensitive, gum care, and massage, giving you flexibility for different needs, whether you're looking for a basic clean or a gentler touch for sensitive gums. One of the most appealing features is its cost-effectiveness. The toothbrush comes with 8 brush heads, 2 of which are designed for sensitive teeth, providing you with up to 2 years of replacements. This not only saves you money, but also ensures that you're always using a fresh brush head for optimal performance. Now, let's talk about real-world testing. I've been using the Rtauys M5 for the past few weeks, and I have to say, it's been impressive. The sonic vibrations offer a satisfying deep clean that really gets into the nooks and crannies of your teeth. I particularly like the whitening mode, which, after consistent use, has left my smile noticeably brighter. And the sensitive mode has been a game changer for me, as I sometimes have gums that can react to harder brushes. The brush heads are soft yet effective, and I can feel the difference. The battery life, lasting up to 120 days on a single charge, is truly remarkable. It only takes about 3 hours to charge fully, so it's perfect for travel. The included travel case is a nice touch, making it easy to pack up and take with you on the go, whether you're heading out on a business trip or just away for the weekend. In terms of design, the toothbrush feels comfortable in your hand. It's lightweight yet sturdy, and the travel case is compact enough to slip into a bag without taking up much space. It's a simple, modern look that fits in seamlessly with other bathroom accessories. However, no product is without its flaws. One thing I would have liked to see is a pressure sensor, which many high-end models now include. While the brushing modes are versatile, I sometimes found myself wishing there was more feedback on whether I was pressing too hard on my gums. That said, the Rtauys M5 still provides a very thorough clean, and the overall experience is incredibly pleasant. Now, when it comes to value for money, this toothbrush is a winner. With the price of one toothbrush, you're getting 2 years of brush heads, long-lasting battery life, and a solid set of features that rival some of the more expensive models on the market. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable option, the Rtauys M5 certainly makes a case for itself. If you're considering alternatives, there are a few other electric toothbrushes in this price range, but most of them lack the same battery life or the extensive brush head set that comes with the Rtauys M5. For a similar experience, you might look into the Philips Sonicare range, though they do come at a higher price point. In terms of build quality, I've been impressed. The toothbrush is well made and feels durable, and the charging base is stable and easy to use. It also doesn't feel bulky like some other electric toothbrushes, making it easier to maneuver during brushing. So, would I recommend the Rtauys M5 Sonic Electric Toothbrush? Absolutely. If you're in the market for an affordable yet high-performing toothbrush that covers all your basic oral care needs, and then some, this one delivers. Whether you're looking for a way to brighten your smile or just maintain solid oral hygiene, this toothbrush checks all the boxes. Thanks so much for tuning into this review. If you found it helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you can stay up to date on all the latest honest reviews. And if you've tried the Rtauys M5 or have any questions, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.